Secret cameras in public bathrooms. Another story was reported last week by CTV. They picked up from a Facebook posting from a Hamilton, Ontario Tim Hortons customer who posted about a hidden camera phone they found recording in the bathroom they were in. So the story is a mother and her child after cleaning up after themselves in a Tim Hortons restroom when they noticed a lens protruding from a pile of garbage. Upon further examination, it was a phone recording connected to a battery pack so that it would arguably last and record for longer periods of time. It was hidden inside a coffee cup and covered with tissue paper. Police were notified, according to CTV. The situation is being investigated. So I want to take some time and talk about the future of cameras and our expectation of privacy. We've seen situations of hidden cameras in Airbnb or camera-connected glasses like Snapchat spectacles or Facebook Ray-Bans. Even normal consumer sport cameras are incredibly small. The Insta360 Go is a good example. Intentionally covert cameras are an entire industry. Just search hidden camera on Amazon and well under $50, anyone can buy a reliable secret recording device for not that pricey price tag. It's coming to a situation now that unless you have exclusive private access to a secure place, we should start to assume we are being watched. Unless we're all carrying spy bug sweeping kits, I worry more of these stories are going to surface, or stories that don't get reported, or because they're not found out. If you're looking to do anything privately in a unsecured public place, I would think this is a story of a good example of best practices. Before you do anything private in a public space, perhaps do a quick little sweep, a quick little check, and if anything seems out of the ordinary. Unfortunately, this happens, and we need to have our best interests in mind. We're always being watched. We're always being recorded. And yeah, sure, there's laws and legislation and policies that prevent cameras and recording in private places where we have an expectation of privacy. But just because a law exists, it doesn't mean people follow the law. There are people who will use technology and the incredibly small, powerful nature of technology to, unfortunately, do inappropriate things. So look out for yourself, your loved ones, and just reminder, do a quick little check before you do anything private in a public space. I'm Brandon from the White Hatter, and thank you all for tuning in. Bye-bye.